Hello AutoCAD Drafter, let me show you where I create your AutoCAD tutorials. Now I'll tell you why I'm showing you this. Hi, I'm Irving, and I've been creating different ways to save time in AutoCAD for over 5 years. Some time ago, some of you asked me this. How could you share the DWG file used in this video? This dynamic block is great. Would you send it to me? ¿Un email address donde te pueda contactar? Oops, that's Spanish. Oscar was asking me an email to contact me because he has an urgent AutoCAD issue. Anyway, every day I used to read the same type of messages on YouTube, my email, or my social media platforms. And although I did send some of these dynamic blocks and files when possible, and also helped many of you fix your AutoCAD issues by message or text, I did not have the time to manually send all of these emails and satisfy all of you guys. You know, I have a family with 2 kids, I work in an architectural designer office, I'm a current architecture student, and I have this AutoCAD YouTube channel. Wow, I don't even know how I'm handling all of this. Anyway, one day I made the effort and time to create a place where all of you requests could be handled. And because of this, I created Patreon, which is a way to support creators monthly. So I took what most of you were asking for and started creating some membership levels, or I think they also called them tiers. And because of this, in the first tier, I thought you can have shoutouts in my AutoCAD videos here on YouTube. Also, enter to our private Facebook group to talk all about AutoCAD. And of course, my appreciation because you are really helping me keep the show rolling so I can keep creating more free content for YouTube. In the second tier, which by the way, by the time I did this video, I didn't decide yet how much the support would be. And this is why I cover it. Well, in this tier, I thought you can get all of the same benefits from the previous tiers, plus, and this is very important, architectural drafting experience for your AutoCAD portfolio. Yes, many of you want to get an AutoCAD job, and I believe this is a great way to help you do so. Like Shannon, who have no AutoCAD experience but would like to get into a job. In the third tier, what is unique is I thought you can have access to my AutoCAD project files, including blocks, macro or Lisp codes, DWGs, and so on. Basically anything that I have shown on my AutoCAD tutorials here on YouTube. Finally, on the fourth tier, which is hidden over here, the benefit that I thought you can have for your support is a one-on-one 30 minutes Zoom session with me to automate your AutoCAD workflow or help you with anything AutoCAD related. Ever since that day, our Patreon page has been open for your questions or ideas, allowing me to connect with you in a deeper level, like this behind the scenes I showed you earlier. Hello AutoCAD Drafter, let me show you where I create your AutoCAD tutorials. Go and check it out now from the video description. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll keep working hard to save you as much time as possible.